7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Hooks Airport to Atascocita, moving southwest at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Humble, Jersey Village, Alderman, Clover Leaf, Northside, or Northside, Raven Point, or Oats Prairie.
Even though we're so suited for pop-ups.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is your...
Well, this was going to be how they were going to bring Trump down. They were going to investigate him. They were going to scare you. And her district hates her. She won't even go back to her district. And so her daddy served there in the Congress and went on to be vice president. Now he's... You cannot help your very good daughter. You evil monster. And so now the very Democrats who wanted her daddy tried on criminal charges